next, and install. And we allow the install to finish. So that took a couple of minutes. The install is now finished. To go ahead and we hit close. And now in Server Manager, we have ADDS, right? And there's one more thing we want to do, click more, and we want to promote this server to its main controller, right? After that, we're going to want to give this a domain. The domain for this shall be lsl.org. Well, we can't select it, so we have to choose add a new forest. We're doing so much for our mistake, boys. So now we can call this lsl.org. Most people call this .local, but this is not seeing the internet, and it doesn't matter. Click next. Technically, you should give it like a fully qualified domain name. So now it's going to want us to type in a recovery password for our domain, right? So if you're actually setting this up for a corporate environment, you're probably going to want to write this down somewhere and put it in a very secure place. Basically, if someone has this password, they can restore your Active Directory domain. So don't lose track of it. Oh, what else does it want? More options. Password mismatch. Okay. So after we enter our password, we hit next. We hit next. Let's see. We hit next. Hey, okay. And we hit close. And that's it. Probably want to give this server a quick reboot. So let's do that. There we go. So now it's going to restart, and when it spins back up, it is going to spin up as a domain controller for the domain we just created. And that's all we have to do to set one up. Let's wait for this to spin back up. You know, being an IT guy involves a lot of waiting. Sometimes you're going to have to wait for days for something to finish. And then when you're done, you cross your fingers, and you hope it works out well. And sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't, though.